Forgotten username recovery failed on Empower Cache fix. If recovering your Empower Cache username hasn't worked, most people make the mistake of skipping verification or using an outdated email. You won't believe how simple it can be to regain access when you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the Empower app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Empower will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically. Sending multiple requests too quickly may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Empower support directly with this information. Providing details about recent transactions or linked bank accounts can speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and prevents future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Empower Cache account efficiently. Proper verification and credential management are essential for keeping your finances uninterrupted and secure.